Let's whip up some homemade miracle cleaning paste. As far as the mixture goes, it depends how much paste you want to make for yourself. For this one, I use 2 cups of baking soda. As far as the Dawn soap goes, just add enough into it until the paste becomes the proper consistency. You don't want to be too liquidy, but you also don't want it to be super solid. For me, I like something like this. So make sure to whip everything together nicely. And then for the final touches, you can go ahead and add some essential oils. Of course, you don't have to, but if you want a little extra fresh scent in the home, essential oils are a great way to do it. So where would you generally want to use a cleaning paste like this? Well, they're excellent for kitchens. If you have a lot of stuck-on grease, they are abrasive enough because of the baking soda and the Dawn combo, they really go and fight through all that grease. So they're excellent for kitchens. They're also great for when you're cleaning a dirty bathtub that has a lot of soap scum stuck on the sides of it. That stuff breaks right through and it works wonders. Another thing is if you have a lot of cookware that hasn't been cleaned effectively in a long time, like the bottom of your pan, this stuff works wonders. Just get yourself a good sponge and you're good to go. What are your favorite places to clean around the house with a cleaning paste? Let us know in the comments below.